Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you are just viewing this channel for the first time, please subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this sleeve. It's a ruffle sleeve and it can be used to create, you can use it in any way, but this is for off shoulders, if off shoulder madam blouse. So watch on. Okay, so I've cut an off shoulder sleeve and I turn it with lining, you can see. So I'll be using this net. I've already cut them into stripes. So I use 2 yards of net. It's strong net. It's not to like the strong one that is a bit firm, not soft, but still net. Okay, so I cut it wideness of 9 inches. You can use more than that. You can use more than 9 inches depending on what you want, and you can use more than 2 yards depending on how full you want it. So I kept it on fold. That's the 9 inches on fold will give you 4.5. Then I'm going to gather it. I'm going to gather all the stripes. I have like 5 for each sleeve. So I'm going to be sewing it and arrange it on the off shoulder sleeve. So now I'll start from the edge, the upper part of the sleeve. Then I marked a distance of like 2 inches. You can make it to be shorter than that. I think I later reduced it when I was sewing, so that it will not, the gap in between the sewing will not be much. So I made the distance like 1 inch, but for the first 2 layers were very close. So as you're sewing, you are going to sew the way I'm arranging my hand. You're just going to be sewing it all through. So now gathered it I've gathered all the stripes together, and then I'm going to be arranging it on that sleeve. So for the first layer, I'm going to be turning it that's upside down, so that by the time you sew, it's going to flip over. Okay, so it's going to be like that. You can just tack it a bit down, but if it's very close, like at the end of this, I don't have to tack it down again. So now the next layer will be sewn very close to the edge of the first one, but facing up, not upside down. Okay, facing up. Then I'm going to still turn it like that till you sew to the hand. Now I didn't sew on the sewing allowance line for the sleeve. I avoided that part. Okay, so now I've arranged it on the sleeve, and you can see how beautiful it is looking. It's very nice. You can just make it like, you can even arrange this kind of thing and put it on a skirt as a design. It's very fine. Okay, so after holding my seam allowance, I'm just going to sew that part to the armhole of the blouse. You can see, if you want, you can tack it to close those parts where the sewing is, but if it's very close, you may not have to do that. Okay, then you can tack down the first layer. You can just tack it down. So guys, this is how it came out. It's so beautiful. I like the effect, and the fact that the net is a bit strong, it made it to stand very fine. like it's very firm. And for this I used two different shades of net because that was what the person brought. Okay, so but I still like it. It would be better if it's just the same shade. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to go a long way to encourage me in making more videos, and then you can let me know if there is any um tutorial that you want to see on the channel. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on Facebook Pop Reality Fashion and Instagram for Reality Fashion. Thank you.